Hello, everybody. So here we have the website called rapidtables.com, and today we're going to use rapidtables.com to make a line graph. To do that, let's scroll down and we'll click on Online Tools. And then we have the line graph maker. Okay, now we need a graph title. So let's suppose it's number of times eaten per day. And we're going to let the horizontal axis range from days 1 to days 5, but you can change this if you like. And then we'll let the vertical axis range from, it says 0 to 3 times, but let's say 0 to 5 times. All right, and we're going to have data labels in there, but you can also have data values or data range, but we'll just go ahead and use data labels. The data labels are days of the week. So we have 5 days, 1 through 5, and so we'll have we'll let this just be the weekdays. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and make sure to enter in all these things separated by spaces. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, like so. Okay, we're just going to have one line, but we can use a drop-down menu and have several lines. In other words, we can put like several line graphs into one line graph, so to speak. Okay, and then we let each line 1 data value correspond to each of the data labels. So for example, let's suppose you ate 5 times on Monday, so we'll put 5 right there. And then Tuesday, let's suppose you ate 6 times, and Wednesday you ate 2 times, Thursday 1 time. And let's say Friday you want to party, right? It's Friday party day. So maybe you ate like 6 times there. All right. Okay, we can change the point shower size. We can change the line width. We can change the legend position. We can even have a curved line. All right. Well, let's go ahead and just draw this. And then we'll scroll down, and here it is right here. So Monday with 5 times, Tuesday 6 times, Wednesday 2 times, Thursday 1 time, and then Friday 6 times, like that. All right. Okay, now let's suppose maybe you want a curved line. So let's change this to a curved line. Make a check there. And then see it's a nice little curved line like so. Isn't that beautiful? And then we can even change the maybe point to something else here, say 12. And we'll draw it again. And it's a little bit thicker there. And let's say the line width, let's make that be smaller, say maybe 1. Let's see what that does. All right, interesting. It's a little smaller there, but the dots are kind of big because that's what we chose for the point show size. So the points are big and the lines are small. But let's make it be more consistent here. So let's just make the line width maybe be 8 there and see if it looks better. We'll draw it again. Okay, it's a lot thicker there. Okay, and so the points and the lines are more consistent with each other as far as size goes. Okay, we can even have 2 lines here, so let's see what that looks like. Okay, and we have information for the 2 lines there. So let's say 7, 10, and 14. So let's see how that goes. All right, and well, we have a second line here. It's for female. All right, but that doesn't really make any sense here. So, but if you want to, you can just put 2 lines there if you want in the same line graph. Let's see what happens if you change the legend position. Let's change to left. Let's see, let's change it to top. All right, so it puts the legend at the top there like that. Very interesting. All right, okay, so that's in a nutshell how to make a line graph on rapidtables.com.